Hey there, auto shop owners. Are you ready to protect your business from the unexpected and save money? Ever wonder what would happen if something goes wrong with a customer's car or your equipment suddenly breaks down? Well, today, we're going to break down exactly what you need to know about getting insurance for your auto body shop. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step guide on how to get insured, what types of coverage you need, and how to save up to 19% on your policy. Sounds good, right? Let's jump right in. What is auto body shop insurance and why do you need it? Running an auto body shop comes with its fair share of risks, from accidental damage to customers' vehicles, to expensive equipment repairs, or even slip and fall accidents in your shop. Having insurance for your auto body shop isn't just a good idea, it's often required. It protects your business from out-of-pocket costs related to accidents, injuries, legal fees, and damaged property. Whether you're fixing up bumpers or handling major repairs, you want to make sure that you, your employees, and your customers are all covered. Step 1. Know the key types of coverage you need. Before you start shopping for insurance, it's important to know the different types of coverage available for auto body shops. Here's a breakdown of the main ones you'll need to protect your business. General liability insurance. First up, we've got general liability insurance. This is a must-have for most body shop owners. It protects you from common accidents like property damage and personal injuries that might happen in your shop. Let's say a customer slips and falls in your shop or your technician accidentally damages a customer's car while moving it around. General liability insurance would help cover the medical bills or repair costs, so you're not left paying out of pocket. It also covers legal fees if someone decides to sue your business. Garage keepers coverage. Next up is garage keepers coverage. This one is super important for auto body shops. It protects your customers' vehicles while they're in your care. So, if you accidentally scratch a car while making repairs or if the vehicle is damaged by fire, vandalism, or extreme weather while parked at your shop, Garage Keepers Insurance steps in to cover the cost of repairs. Faulty work insurance. Nobody's perfect, and mistakes can happen. That's where faulty work insurance comes in. If a customer claims you did a poor job, whether it's a botched paint job or an unsatisfactory repair, this coverage can help pay to redo the work or cover legal defense costs if they sue. Commercial property insurance. Commercial property insurance is another must-have, especially if your business relies on expensive equipment. If your tools, inventory, or gear are damaged by things like fire, theft, or vandalism, this coverage helps pay for repairs or replacement. Hired and non-owned auto coverage, H&OA. Sometimes, you'll need to take a customer's car off-site for a test drive or to another location. Hired and non-owned auto coverage protects you in case of an accident during that time. So, if something happens while you're driving someone else's car, this insurance helps cover the costs. Step 2. How to find the right insurance for your auto body shop. Now that you know what types of coverage you need, let's talk about how to find the right policy. The first thing you should do is shop around. Different insurers will offer different packages, and you'll want to compare prices and what's covered. Get a business license and know your state's requirements. Before you even start searching for insurance, make sure you know your state's requirements. In many states, you'll need insurance to get an auto body shop business license. This ensures that you're legally protected while operating. Make sure you check what's required in your area so you're covered from day one. Consider bundling coverage to save money. Here's a pro tip: bundling your insurance policies can help you save money. Many insurers offer discounts when you combine general liability, commercial property, and other coverages. Next insurance company offers savings of up to 19% when you bundle multiple policies. They are best in the market for the small business insurance. So, if you want to save a few bucks while making sure all your bases are covered, bundling is the way to go. Step 3. What impacts the cost of auto body shop insurance? Now, you're probably wondering, how much is this all going to cost? Well, it depends on a few factors. Services you offer. First, the type of services you offer will play a big role in how much you pay for insurance. Shops that provide more specialized or risky services, like collision repairs, might pay more than those focusing on smaller jobs like paint touch-ups. Location. Where your shop is located also matters. If your business is in an area prone to theft or vandalism, your insurance premiums could be higher. Equipment value. Got expensive equipment in your shop? The more valuable your tools and machinery, the more coverage you'll need, and that can drive up your insurance costs. Shop certifications. One great way to potentially lower your insurance costs is by having shop certifications. If your shop is ASE, ICAR Gold, or AAA certified, some insurance companies will give you discounts because you've shown a commitment to quality work and safety. Bundling insurance. And don't forget, as I mentioned earlier, bundling your policies can save you up to 19% with Next Insurance. That's some serious cash back in your pocket. Step 4. Apply for your auto body shop insurance. Once you've found the right insurance package, it's time to apply. Many insurers let you apply online, making the process quick and easy. Here, Next Insurance will take only 10 minutes of your valuable time. Just be sure to have all the information ready, like the types of services you offer, the value of your equipment, and any certifications you have. Final thoughts: get insured and protect your business. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide on how to get insurance for your auto body shop. It's all about managing your risk and protecting what you've worked so hard to build. With the right coverage in place, you can focus on what you do best, fixing cars and making your customers happy. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you love our videos.